welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a trolls inspired makeup tutorial featuring Nicki Minaj. Trolls makeup. We're gonna do a Nicki Minaj makeup tutorial on her latest music video, Trolls with 6IX9INE. 6IX9INE. I'm not sure, but that guy. Before we get started, I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel for more makeup videos, tutorials, product reviews, and a lot more. We're gonna get really full coverage. And I'm gonna use my Il Makiage foundation called Woke Up Like This, and this is in the shade 60. There you go. I'm probably gonna use this much. I'm gonna use my Shine Cactus complexion brush and just tap that all over my face. Il Makiage, they have like a shade finder on their website, and I have to say it's pretty accurate. This product they sent to me for free, so thank you so much, Il Makiage. This is so cool that it matches me so well. I am really pleased. For concealer, I will use this one. It's the Fudge I'm Flawless from Il Makiage as well. Love this chunky packaging, and it's so chunky. I love that. I love it when the concealer pops, like when it's your first time using it and it pops. Okay, so this is in the shade 2.5, and let us give it a whirl. Powder time. Just all over my face. I did my brows off camera, and I already put the same concealer I used earlier as an eyeshadow base. As usual, all of the products that I use in this video will be down in the description box, as well as my affiliate links, so that you can check out the products that I used. For the eye look, we are going to use this beautiful palette from King Beauty. This is the Secret Garden palette. I love this. This is super colorful. Are you ready? I'm gonna show you guys the palette. It's gorgeous. Love all the colors in this palette. You guys can use my code. I'll flash it here on the screen, and D8 D6 at checkout for some dollars off of your purchase. So we do have these beautiful greens right here, and I'm gonna use these for the eye look. So I am so excited to show you guys how pigmented this palette is, because it is bomb. I was just playing with it earlier and it's beautiful. So I will get started with this shade right here. It's called Cactus. So all of the names in the palettes are named after like flowers and like plants and stuff. So we're gonna use a fluffy brush just to apply this one on the crease. Tap off any excess. This is super pigmented, and love the quality of their eyeshadows. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I just like stamped the product on, and it's wow. Wow. I will actually like flick it out a little bit right here, because she had like a winged out shape on her eyeshadow. These shadows are mind-blowing, so I just want to show you guys. There's like a fade already, and I only use one color, and all I did is I just focused most of the color here and I blended it out, and I love the fade right there. So happy with this shade. I don't see much underneath Nicki's eyes on the video, but I will use this shade right here. It's called Devil's Ivy, and I will apply this underneath with a flat brush. I want to exaggerate the shape of the wing right here, so I will clean it up with some concealer and a flat brush. For the lid, I noticed Nikki had like a lime green that's metallic, and I think that that is super close to this shade right here called Sago Palm. I love Sago. So we're gonna apply that right here on the lid with a flat brush. Okay, whoa. This is really pretty. Considering I did not wet the brush, this is really metallic right here, like, wow. So metallic. I feel like the King palettes that I use are just getting better and better because they're awesome. Like the pigmentation, look at that. Dry brush. And you got that. That's what it looks so far. We're gonna add some wing liner. I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs gel liner. I will do a really big wing, so wish me luck. I'll start here on the outer corner, and I want to make sure that it's following the angle that the eyeshadow is going. Whoa. Oh no! It all of a sudden turned into like a Cleopatra makeup. So we're gonna fix that in a second. For lashes, I'll be using these. These are the number 34 lashes from Il Makiage. So I'm gonna pop these on and I'll be right back. These are like the perfect lashes for a winged out cat eye look. They're so wispy and they're flared on the outside. I'm so excited to try this bronzer. It's also from Il Makiage. It's called Touch Me. And it looks like it's Mars or Venus or something. So I'm really excited to try that. I'll be using a brush like this to apply this. I'm really curious how it's gonna look because it has some like pink colors in it. Wow. Okay, that's really pigmented, so I have to be careful with this one because I feel like I put a lot right here. This is nice. It's like a blush slash bronzer. I'm also gonna take it right here on the main cheek where I put the blush, because I think this is gonna be my blush as well. So for the inner corner of the eyes, I really don't notice anything that Nicki Minaj has. However, I really want to try this one. It's called Soledado, and it's such a beautiful like dual chrome yellow, and I think that will look really good with this look. So I'm gonna pop that on my inner corner using just a flat brush, and we'll test this out without any primer and see how it adheres, because oh my god, that looks really pretty. I love it because it has like a green base to it. It's like a green and a yellow, so when you move around it has like a green and a yellow shift. So I want this look to be more fun, so we're gonna add some stars like she had in the video. So I took out my Morphe 24A Artist Pass because they have this really nice confetti glitter right here. So I'll be applying this one with just my finger right here. Wow. The color matches really well with the look. It's so pretty. So we're just gonna take it on the side like this, And then the best way to pick up this product is just to tap it, because the starts will adhere anyways. It looks really cool. For lips, she had like a neutral pink, so I'm gonna use this one right here from El Makiage. This is the Striptease. That's my Filipino accent showing up. This is the Striptease. I think it's, yeah, it's called Misty Rose. Misty Rose. A perfect color. It's the exact same color that she had on, I feel like. So that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it. And before you leave my channel, please subscribe for more makeup videos, tutorials, ASMRs, and a lot more. Also, make sure you click the notification bell below so you can get notified every time I have a new upload. If you would like to try the Secret Garden eyeshadow palette by King Beauty, I will flash my discount code right here on the screen for you guys so you can have some money off of your purchase. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!